Hi, in this video I'm going to discuss how you can create your own quiz videos with the help of DoctoQuiz website. So first of all, you need to go to teacher dashboard. So make sure you are logged in as a teacher, because in the student this option will not be available. Once you are logged in as a teacher, you need to click on video generator here, and now you can create your own videos here. Okay, so the first step you need to do, you need to first of all create a quiz. If you don't know how to create a quiz, you can watch my previous videos, and if you don't have any quiz, you can click on this create quiz button and you can create your own quiz first of all there. So once you have created your quiz, then you can go to the video generator. Then you can create or select your own quiz that you already generated, because if I go to my test that I already created, you can see I have a lot of tests here and I can choose any of these to create a video. So first of all, let me show you the demo how I created the videos already. Then I will be explaining you how you can create your own videos. So let's see, I open this test because I have created some videos already for this test, and you can see how these videos look like. Let me play it for a moment, then I will show you how you can obviously create your own videos. So I think I need to click on here. So as you can see, this is the video, this is the landscape video. So if I click on it,
DoctoQuiz.
You can
Today's
see it.
quiz is Coding Skills Quiz. Understanding the traits of a hardworking... Let's start. Trait is highlighted as a key characteristic of Zohybe in the context of coding. Your options are A. He is hardworking. B. He is inexperienced. C. He is disorganized.
Take the full quiz link from the description below and challenge your friends.
So this is how you can generate your videos. So you can generate vertical as well as horizontal videos for the YouTube. So let's move forward and we will click on video generator here. And the first step you need to do, you need to select any quiz. So suppose that if I select maybe this quiz, Halloween quiz, okay. So this has 80 questions. Now you can type your ElevenLabs API key here and you need to click on validate. If you want to save it in the backend, into your profile, you can click on save and it will be saved forever. Okay, so once you have provided the API key, now you can select any of the voices here. So as you can see, I have some free voices and I have some paid voices. For the paid voices, your ElevenLabs account needs to be paid and upgraded. For the free voices, you can select any free voice. Like if I select maybe this one, okay, so I like this voice, so I will select this. And now what I can do, I can select any of these background musics. Okay, so you can try with different musics here, but I like this one, the first one, so I will select it. And then this is very important. So if you want this video for the portrait mode, like vertical mode, if you want to upload it on TikTok or Instagram or Facebook or YouTube Shorts, then select this option. Otherwise, if you want this horizontal videos like this, maybe on YouTube or Facebook, or like horizontal landscape video 16:9 ratio, then you can select this option. Okay, for the portrait there is one more option, that is reels option. If you select that, the video would be better for the reels, because if you see on TikTok, the right side options are like buttons, comment buttons, so that would be optimized for the reels. Otherwise, if you want it for standalone viewing, you can just optimize it as an off button. Okay, so you can read it here. So once you have selected whatever you want, like landscape or portrait, then you can select how many questions you want. So for now I will select only one just to experiment, and then I will click on generate video here. But right now my ElevenLabs API key is not valid because it's free. I need to type my other API key here, that's also free, but that has some credits into it. So let me put that into it and then I will move forward. So now I have updated my API key and now I need to click again the same voice. Okay, now I will click on generate and you can see now this video is portrait mode and it's generating right now. Even you can refresh the page because you can safely close the tab, because video will be rendering on the server and you will receive an email with a download link once it's ready. So I can refresh the page without any type of problems, and you can see this video will be generating here. Now I can generate one more video here. Maybe I can generate a landscape video, so I can show you how it look like. I will select the same quiz, or maybe this one. Okay, stock market quiz, or maybe I can select this Easter quiz or whatever you like. Okay, I will choose this one. Okay, now you can select any otherwise, maybe this one, and I will select landscape mode here, just one question, and you can skip intro and skip outro if you want. Otherwise I will need it, so I will keep it as it is. I will click on generate video. Now this video will be also generating. Now two of the videos are generating in the meantime, but right now as you can see I don't have enough credits in my ElevenLabs API, so that's why it failed. So but this one is running fine, so let's wait. This one is still running, so we can obviously experiment with this, but if you have enough credits in your ElevenLabs account there would be no problems at all. So let's wait and let's see how it goes. So now video has been generated, and now we can click on the button here to play it. Okay, so I will click on
Welcome
play
to
button here.
DoctoQuiz. Today's quiz is Halloween quiz traditions, origins, and celebrations. Create your...
Maybe let me play it in the separate tab so you can see it properly.
Welcome to DoctoQuiz. Today's quiz...
So as you can see that this is working right now, and now we can generate more videos if you want. So this is being done, and now we can move forward. And I hope you like this video, and if you like the video you can subscribe to the channel, and the next video I will be covering different topics on this platform. So have a good day. Thank you.